Hello and welcome to InsightBase, your trusted source for real medical insight into aging, longevity, and natural health. Now let me ask you this. Did you know that some of the most powerful hair growth boosters don't come from a bottle, but from your kitchen? Yes, you heard me right. After 60, many men and women experience hair thinning. Doctors often blame hormones, stress, or just aging. But what if I told you that certain foods can actually trigger dormant follicles to wake up and grow again, thicker, stronger, and naturally? That's not a myth. It's proven science. I used to be skeptical myself. Years ago, I would have dismissed this as another wellness fad. But new studies, from Harvard, the Journal of Gerontology, and even the Mayo Clinic, are now confirming it. Food can talk to your genes, and yes, it can tell your hair to start growing again. So today, we're diving into 5 specific foods that don't just slow hair loss after 60, they actively stimulate hair growth. These are natural, safe, and backed by published research. But before we jump into these game-changing details, please take a moment to like this video, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to InsightBase. It's your support that keeps this channel alive, and gives us the motivation to bring you science-based solutions that actually work. Now, let's uncover the 5 foods your scalp wishes you were eating. You're about to be surprised. If you're over 60 and watching this, chances are you've noticed your hair becoming finer, thinner, or even vanishing. You may have blamed hormones, stress, or just getting older. But what if I told you the food you eat can directly trigger your scalp to regrow thicker, stronger hair, even in your 60s, 70s, or beyond? This isn't internet hearsay. It's published, peer-reviewed, and hiding in plain sight. In this video, I'll reveal 5 foods that are clinically proven to help your hair grow back thicker. And I'll show you the science that's been buried behind drug commercials and cosmetic hype. Let's begin. Food number 1. Eggs. The keratin engine. When it comes to hair health, it's important to understand that hair is composed of approximately 95% keratin, a vital protein necessary for strong, healthy hair. Without the right raw materials, your body simply cannot manufacture this essential protein. That brings us to the first food on our list, which you may not have fully appreciated: eggs. Each whole egg is a powerhouse of nutrition, containing around 6 grams of complete protein. However, what's even more significant is that eggs provide biotin, a crucial vitamin that your body requires for the production of keratin. This makes eggs particularly beneficial for maintaining and promoting hair vitality. According to a comprehensive review published in 2016 in the esteemed journal Skin Appendage Disorders, researchers discovered that biotin deficiency was present in about 38% of women who reported experiencing hair thinning. The findings of this study underscored the importance of dietary biotin, revealing that corrections made through increased biotin intake resulted in noticeable thickening of hair within a span of only 90 days. Yet, the benefits of eggs extend beyond just the presence of biotin. Eggs are also rich in leucine, which is a branched-chain amino acid known to activate mTOR, the cellular growth pathway that plays a key role in hair regeneration and the overall health of hair follicles. This means that consuming eggs can directly support your body's ability to grow and maintain healthy hair. Now, here's a surprising fact that many people overlook. When it comes to eggs, the yolk is actually more valuable than the egg white. Unfortunately, most individuals tend to discard the yolk, not realizing its importance. The yolk contains a staggering 90% of the biotin found in the entire egg, as well as all of the egg's fat-soluble vitamins, including vitamin D. This vitamin is crucial because it helps regulate the cycling of hair follicles, further emphasizing the yolk's significant role in promoting healthy hair growth and overall scalp health. By including whole eggs in your diet and appreciating the yolk, you can provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs to support keratin production and enhance hair health. Food number 2. Pumpkin seeds. The DHT blocker. The second food on our list may not be sweet, but it plays a significant role in combating one of the leading factors contributing to hair loss: DHT, or dihydrotestosterone. This particular hormone derivative of testosterone is known to shrink hair follicles, which can ultimately lead to hair thinning and loss. Interestingly, as individuals age, especially after reaching the age of 60, the sensitivity of the scalp to DHT increases significantly, and this issue is especially pronounced among women. A compelling study published in the journal Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine in 2014 points to the benefits of pumpkin seeds in this regard. In this randomized, double-blind trial, men who ingested 400 milligrams of pumpkin seed oil each day for a span of 24 weeks demonstrated a remarkable 40% increase in hair count. This is a substantial improvement when compared to the mere 10% increase observed in the group that received a placebo, highlighting the potential effectiveness of pumpkin seed oil in addressing hair loss. The reason pumpkin seeds are so beneficial lies in their rich composition. They contain phytosterols, which are natural compounds known to inhibit the action of 5-alpha reductase. This particular enzyme is responsible for converting testosterone into DHT, which contributes to hair follicle shrinkage. By inhibiting this enzyme, pumpkin seeds can help to maintain healthier hair follicles and promote hair growth. Furthermore, pumpkin seeds are packed with zinc, an essential mineral that has been linked to the stimulation of hair follicle recovery in aging adults. Research published in Dermatologic Therapy in 2020 supports this correlation, indicating that zinc can play a crucial role in rejuvenating hair follicles that have been affected by age-related changes. All these factors combined make pumpkin seeds an excellent choice for anyone looking to support their hair health and combat hair loss effectively. Food number 3. Salmon. Omega-3 and vascular growth. Hair follicles are living tissues that play a vital role in hair growth, requiring a steady supply of oxygen, essential nutrients, and adequate blood flow to remain healthy and function optimally. This is where the importance of omega-3 fatty acids comes into play, and salmon stands out as the most excellent source for these essential fats. A significant study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology in 2015 explored the effects of a combination of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids on women experiencing thinning hair. The results were promising. After a period of 6 months, an impressive 89.9% of the participants reported a noticeable reduction in hair loss, while 86.1% indicated that their hair density had significantly improved. The reasons behind these remarkable outcomes can be attributed to the properties of omega-3s. These beneficial fatty acids enhance microcirculation, which is crucial for improving blood flow to the scalp. Additionally, omega-3 fatty acids work to reduce inflammation, which acts as a hidden antagonist that contributes to the aging of scalp tissue and leads to the miniaturization of hair follicles. This inflammation can undermine the health of hair follicles, making it essential to address it for optimal hair growth. Moreover, salmon is not only a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, but it is also loaded with vitamin D3. This particular nutrient has been shown to play a key role in reactivating dormant hair follicles. Research published in Stem Cells Translational Medicine in 2017 highlighted the importance of vitamin D3 in stimulating dermal papilla cells, which are critical for the hair growth cycle. By incorporating salmon into your diet, you not only benefit from its omega-3 content but also from its vitamin D3, both of which contribute significantly to overall hair health and vitality. Food number 4. Sweet potatoes. The antioxidant fuel. Let's dive deeper into the fascinating science behind one of nature's most nutritious foods. As we grow older, our bodies undergo various changes, one of which includes an increase in oxidative stress. This is akin to an internal rusting process that impacts various cells throughout the body, including those responsible for producing our hair. Sweet potatoes emerge as a particularly valuable food in this context, as they are loaded with beta-carotene. This important compound is converted by the body into vitamin A, which is crucial for numerous functions, including cell growth, regulation of sebum production, and protection of hair follicles from damage. Recent research published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism in 2022 provides compelling evidence regarding the benefits of beta-carotene. The study revealed that participants who had elevated levels of this beneficial compound experienced 40% less hair breakage compared to those with lower levels, as well as a noticeable improvement in the thickness of their hair follicles. Remarkably, these positive effects were observed independently of the participants' ages, suggesting that beta-carotene can benefit individuals across a wide range of life stages. However, there's an important distinction to be made when it comes to vitamin A sources. It is worth noting that many vitamin A supplements available on the market are synthetic and can be harmful, especially when taken in high doses, leading to toxicity. In contrast, Beta-carotene derived from food sources like sweet potatoes is much safer and demonstrates greater effectiveness for promoting health. In addition to being a rich source of beta-carotene, sweet potatoes also provide another essential nutrient, copper. This mineral plays a critical role in activating lysyl oxidase, an important enzyme responsible for the cross-linking of collagen in hair roots. Collagen is vital for maintaining the structural integrity and strength of hair, making it clear that incorporating sweet potatoes into our diet can have far-reaching benefits for hair health and overall well-being. Food number 5. Lentils, the iron fix most women ignore. Finally, we come to a food that solves a silent epidemic: iron deficiency. By age 60, iron absorption drops significantly. And iron is crucial for hemoglobin, which transports oxygen to your scalp. Without it, hair enters the telogen, resting phase prematurely, leading to thinning. According to a study published in Clinical and Experimental Dermatology, 2002, 72% of women with diffuse hair loss had low ferritin levels, the stored form of iron. Restoring ferritin to 70 nanograms per milliliter or higher often resulted in hair regrowth. Lentils offer plant-based, non-heme iron, along with folate and B vitamins, needed for DNA synthesis in hair cells. Pair lentils with a source of vitamin C, like tomatoes or bell peppers, and you dramatically improve iron absorption. So, let's recap what we've just uncovered. 5 simple, natural foods: eggs, pumpkin seeds, salmon, sweet potatoes, and lentils. Each backed by clinical research, each capable of reactivating dormant hair follicles, reducing inflammation, and fueling your scalp from within. These aren't exotic superfoods. They're right in your grocery store, probably already in your kitchen. Yet their power to help your hair grow thicker after 60 is nothing short of remarkable. What's surprising is this: the solution to thinning hair isn't in a bottle, a cream, or a salon. It's in your plate. We now know that hair health after 60 isn't a matter of luck. It's a matter of cellular nutrition. And the good news? Your body still remembers how to grow thick, healthy hair. You just need to give it the right message, through food. And that's what this channel is all about: scientific truths that empower you to take back control of your health, naturally. Before we end, if this video gave you new insight, please don't forget to like it, share it with a friend or loved one, and subscribe to InsightBase. It's your support that fuels our research and gives us the motivation to keep bringing you videos packed with real knowledge, not hype. Because here at InsightBase, we believe aging doesn't mean fading, it means rising stronger, wiser, and healthier than ever. Thank you for watching, and remember, nourish your body, and your hair will follow. See you in the next video.